Alright, so as you can see behind me is the new project car. Nothing unusual really, Rover 100, of course, it wouldn't be anything else with it. It's actually my girlfriend's, and it's got real rust problems, so we need to get that fixed, get it back on the road. She wants to change the engine at some point as well, so it all needs to be done. But hopefully you enjoy this series, and let's get going. Alright, so as you saw, you've probably seen the engine isn't actually standard. This is a 1.4K series from MGZR or Rover 25, 105 brake, at something like 6,500 RPM or something. So it's very, very revvy, and it is perfect for a car like this. It's so light, but she does want more. And now she's seen obviously she's been out in my turbo car. She's got the itch to scratch. So turbo's coming on that soon. I just want to run you through a few things as well. That has been done. Obviously GSI alloy is standard, but it's got bigger tyres on it. Now these are the problems that we have run into. As you can see, that is rather rotten. This rear arch here, I'm pretty sure is all filler. You can see like the minor imperfections and dents, and that's where it has been repaired before. So that's solid, that's not solid. Doesn't sound too bad, but that's all filler there. This arch actually isn't anywhere near as bad as the other side, so I'll just walk you around to the other side. I had actually got an exhaust on it as well. Sportex all the way back. So this is the driver's side. Now as you can see, it's if I'm honest, it's pretty much falling apart. Underneath here, obviously this whole skin is completely loose, more or less the whole way down up until about here. But it's just literally falling apart. Like I think this is part of the floor because it's all soft and squidgy. But obviously this is going to need to be repaired. This isn't a overnight job, so this needs to be looked at, because this is the whole seal down here as well, which is rotten. Luckily for me, the jacking point is actually intact, and that is very solid as well, so that's perfectly fine. We can leave that. This whole part here is okay. It's just from here onwards it sort of goes down, but it's solid again at the front there. So yeah, we've got our work cut out, but you can get repair arch panels for it, so it's not too difficult. So with the repair arch panels, you actually cut it pretty much here, just above the wheel arch, and you get this whole section here comes as one whole piece. 2 for 80 quid, so you can't go too far wrong with that. Then it's just a matter of repairing the seal parts as well, because obviously they're rotten. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal video today. Hopefully you enjoy the new project. There's plenty more to come with this. There'll be a video. I'm trying to get a video out every Wednesday now, hopefully. So this will be today's video, and then next Wednesday, or Wednesday whenever you see this, there'll be another video out. And we'll start cutting parts off and seeing just how bad the rust actually really is. But yeah, hopefully enjoy another Metro to the family. There is actually another one coming as well. You'll see that on the channel at some point. My mate knows who that is. If he's watching, he'll understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today. Stay tuned for the rebuild.